Yeah, sure.
Okay. Right gear. Budgie smuggler.
Budgie smuggler.
Ow. Oh. I could probably send that. Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad if you case it. But yeah, budgie smuggler run 3. Trying to do the 5th jump. Brent stacked on it.
Respect for him.
Yeah.
Hopefully he comes back soon.
I'm running knee pads. Full face.
And red knee
Yeah.
pads.
So
Sort of a full face.
yeah,
Let's go.
I'll send it. Wow! Oh, I thought I was gonna case that.
How is it?
Yeah, it's so good. Like, you pop the 4th one where you're at, and you pop that one, and you're good. Now I'm a bit skeptical about this one.
Liam can't do that one.
Yeah, so I probably won't be able to.
Look at it. Yeah, I can see why you did that. Oh, and the landing's like pretty short as well.
Yeah.
Oh, this could be the one that he can't do, because he says like there's like this vertical one he hates. You know,
Budgie smuggler run
4 or 5?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
Oh, it's our 4th recording, but 5th lap. And we're just gonna go check out the step down now.
Yeah, big. Yeah, might send it. I don't know.
Medium step down.
Here we go. Send this. Just gonna send it. Oh! I sent the step down, now it's time to send the step up. It's time to send it.
Wait, you doing it the step down?
No, I'm not going to go to step down, people. All right, 12th gear, flat out, brother. Berms on this trail are amazing. Look out, not doing that. Step down, I mean hip. There we have it, budgie smuggler. I'm budgie smuggler with us too. You're biking with Byron, me, and yeah. I'll see you in the next one.